Hello, this is an RPG fully free-form program which calls the API QUILNGTX. This API is used to display long text. Sometimes you have long text, it's not easy to display them with the DSPLA function because that function only supports no more than 52 characters. So when you have long text, you can call this API and it will show your long text, the full text, in a prompted window. And here, the first line, we have display free, that indicates this is in fully free form. And then we declare a data structure, error code. This is a generic structure to call APIs. And we have the keyword qualified here. This is used to limit the names of the fields. So these names can be used in other places also. And when you access this field, you have to specify the data structure name first and then the field name. And in this structure, we have bytes provided. It's initialized to the length of the error code. And then we have other fields like the message ID, message data. And then we have the prototype declaration for this API. It binds to an external program with the same name. And these are the parameters for this API. You can check the API from the IBM Knowledge Center. I have a web page open for it. And this is the API information. And we can see that there are 5 parameters here. And the first one is the address of the text, and the second one is the length of it, and the third one is the message ID, and then the fourth one, that's the message file name. So we need to provide a message ID and with the text. Okay, so here in the prototype, the first parm, we set it to be 1 character. It doesn't matter much about the size here, as only the address is passed to the API and the length is in another parm. So you can specify here as 1 character, 2 characters, or 5,000 characters, or 10,000 characters. It doesn't matter. And then the message length is an integer, which should be the length of the text. And then we have the message ID, and then the message file, and then we have the error code structure. And then we declare a standalone variable. The name is text, the type is character, the length is 5,000, and it's initialized to piece of text. This piece of text is about 414 or 15 characters long. This is taken from the book of Pride and Prejudice. It doesn't really matter what you put here, just make sure it's long enough. And then we call the API here, and columns are used to separate the parameters. The first one is the variable of the text. It's the name of the text variable, and then we call the RPG built-in function to get the length of the text. And then we use the message ID CPF9898. It's just a message that you can put whatever text in it. And this message is in the message file QCPF-MSG, and then we put in the error code structure. And after that, we need to explicitly return for an RPG program. If you don't have the return, the compiler complains it doesn't know how to end the program. Okay, so this is the program, and now let's compare it. So we use the command create band RPG to compare the program. We put it in my app lab. The name is RPG2, and the source file is here. Now let's run the command. So the program RPG2 is compared successfully. Now let's run the program. And as you can see, there is a prompted window on the green screen, and it has the full text. as we defined. And you can page down and press F12 to return. Keep in mind this message is not in the job log. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like it, please thumb up. You can also subscribe to my channel. I'll have more videos soon.